Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language of DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful if you're more comfortable working in your native language or if you're collaborating with team members who speak different languages. Let's jump right into the steps to make this adjustment. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the program launches and you're at the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the DaVinci Resolve menu option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, select Preferences. This action opens up the main settings hub where you can customize various aspects of the software to suit your workflow. After clicking Preferences, a new window will appear displaying different tabs and categories. Look for the tab labeled User and click on it. The User tab is where you'll find settings that affect your personal experience with the software, including interface customizations and display options. It's essentially the control center for personalizing how DaVinci Resolve looks and behaves for you specifically. Once you're in the User tab, focus your attention on the left side panel where you'll see a list of settings categories. Scroll through this list until you find UI Settings and click on it. The UI Settings section controls the visual elements of the interface, including themes, layouts, and importantly for our purposes today, language options. This is where the software allows you to tailor the user interface to your preferences. Within the UI settings section, you'll notice an option labeled Language. This is exactly what we're looking for. Next to the language label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available language options that DaVinci Resolve supports. The software offers quite a comprehensive list of languages, so take your time browsing through to find the one that works best for you. Once you've located your preferred language in the drop-down menu, click on it to select it. After making your selection, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the Preferences window. Click Save to confirm your language choice. This ensures that your preference is stored in the system settings. Here's an important final step. For the language change to take full effect, you need to completely close and restart your DaVinci Resolve application. Simply closing the Preferences window won't apply the changes. Go ahead and quit the program entirely, then reopen it. When DaVinci Resolve launches again, you'll see that the entire interface now displays in your newly selected language. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in DaVinci Resolve, making your editing experience more comfortable and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.